Hello, welcome back to my channel. How are y'all today? Me, I'm doing fine. I can't complain at all. But today in my video, I will be doing a beaded bracelet. It's going to be pink with charms and all that good stuff on there. So stay tuned on what I will be creating on this bracelet. So this is what I'm going for. This color right here. Charms and the beads and the dividing things to go in between here. So stay tuned on the creations that I'm going to be doing with this. And I might make another color. I don't know yet because I just don't know. But if I do, it'll be in this video too. So stay tuned. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be doing some on camera and some off camera. That's what I'm gonna be doing. So we're gonna see how this goes. But yeah, some people's been in my comments asking about how do they order or where can they order it from. I'm gonna put my I'm gonna put the links. It's more than one links, but I'm gonna put the links in my description. So I mean, whatever one that y'all want, then y'all click on it and it goes straight to it. So that's the way I'm gonna do it. So yeah, that's the way I'm gonna start doing my stuff until I get me a website. Whatever, it's a website, but it ain't no website. You know what I'm saying? But still at the same time, it's a website. So I'm gonna do like half. I'm almost done with it though. Half bracelet. Then, and if y'all want to support my channel, I can leave my Cash App up here so y'all can support me on my journey with this YouTube and all that good stuff. So yeah, back to the video. Then I'm gonna do the other half offline, well, off camera. So up, and this is half. So so as you can see, it fits around the loop. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie it up. Then I'm sorry, some of them came apart when I was tying it. So I'm retying it. Flip it up. Put the string inside and pull it through. So let's do this again. I'm tying it up because it came off 2 times. So let's do this again. I'm not gonna sit here and this is the first one. That's cute. I'm gonna come back, do the other one off camera, and I'm gonna come back and finish the rest on camera. I'm sorry I didn't do the other half on camera, but this is what I have right here. What I'm gonna do is tie it up. I'm wasting nothing but string. This ain't, what the heck? Okay. There you go. But yeah, this is the other one. That is 4 times. But how was y'all day? How is y'all day going so far? And here's right here. And now I'm gonna do the last one for the pink one. So yeah. You can quit that noise. Sorry for the noise in the background, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is do some online or on the camera. I might do the whole thing on the camera. I don't know yet. Depends on how I want to do it. But anyways, like I was saying, how is y'all today? And like I was saying about the website, I'm gonna have to put the different bracelets link in the description so y'all can get it. Whatever one that y'all see that y'all like, y'all can get it. Let's see. I think I'm gonna do one more bracelet on here. That's what I'm thinking about. And I think I'm gonna do this color right here with the outfit charms and hearts. And I don't know yet, but we'll see. I'm gonna be back to finish, the rest of this. Okay, this is what it's looking like. So it has a monkey. You can see it. This one has a owl key. And this one is a butterfly. I like them. So what I'm going to do is, one more thing that what I'm going to do is put them on here. Yeah, make sure it's facing this way and the charms is facing the way that it needs to be. That it's facing the same way as this. and put it on here. And voila. Then for the bag that it came in, and put it in this bag. Yep. There you go. I'm gonna be back with with the one that I showed y'all, the other charms and beads. I'm gonna do these next, so stay tuned. Okay. Now we're gonna get into the other bracelets. I'm doing a pattern. Well, I don't know what kind. I don't know. Whatever. These are what God is showing me in my head. So basically, when He showed me that, I get to the point, get right to it. Not to the point, but I get right to it, so I don't miss out on forgets. But I won't forget. Let's see. Let me see how this looks. So yeah, I'll be right back. So I'm about done with this one. So I'm about done with this one. And I'm gonna loop it around to see. Might take some of them off. And put it on a small one. Put it on this one right here. Really. So really, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. There you go. So I'm gonna tie this one up. Wasting string again, but I'm gonna tie this one up. Hate when I waste string. There you go. I'm gonna do the other ones next. Be back. Okay, so I'm putting it around here. Perfect fit. Tie it on up. I'm gonna do the last one offline, but I'm gonna come back with all 3 of them. So I want y'all to stay tuned on that one too. Be right back. Okay, so this is what I have. The moon, the heart, and the elephant. These are cute. It's the same size as my other ones that I had before I had to start doing the middle size bracelet, or middle size inches, whatever it's called. But yeah, this is what I have. So I want to put this on here. And tie it up and put it back in the package that it was in before I did them. And voila. Two beautiful ones. I like them. So thanks for watching my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video. Bye.